Hey YouTube, got the AMC EAGLE here, lift kit installed on the last video. This one I'm gonna do a new headliner, check it out. The headliner was tore out of it, half of it was missing, so I ripped the rest of it out, and there's a kind of a fiberglass board, kind of fiberglass compressed panel here. What I'm gonna do is leave that intact, and I'm gonna put some material up here. And being this is 1985 vintage blue, I've got some sweet material for this thing. Check this stuff out. It's a plaid blue, white, black, kind of a blankety flannel fleece, I would say. And I think it should work pretty good. It's got some good stretch to it. And I'm gonna try using some spray adhesive to put that up. Right, I got a couple versions, Super 77, another Super 77. This is 3M adhesive. So hopefully that'll do it. That's pretty good stuff. I think the first thing I'm gonna do up here is pull all this blue trim off and just Phillips screws. Hopefully I can leave that pillar plastic on there. Pull off visors and maybe pull the light out. See what we got back here. Yeah, same thing. Maybe I can paint that blue again. But those couple pieces, that thing's faded white. On each corner, it's faded white. I could pull those out. All right, we're gonna pull the visors out. There we go. Underneath. There we go. On there. Yeah, here's some of that old crappy blue stuff, just dusty. All right, get that light out. Oh, well, this stuff's easy to tear, I tell you that. Oh, man. Okay, what else is holding this guy up? Are we glued or what? Wasn't too bad. I got just to glue it on each side, so I think I'm gonna do this over on the table. All right, I did a little patching on some of the weak spots, that little tear right here, just with some tape around the corners here. Now I'm gonna spray her down and put the material on here. I've got a mark right down the center here. All the way down. Okay, I got it clamped off right in the center. Now I can pull this back about halfway. Then I get my 3M adhesive spray. Fold this back. Okay. Use that curvature to my advantage. Oh yeah, little bit of a wrinkle here. Yeah, beautiful. Whew. Man, does that feel nice. Fold it back on itself that way. Got her all wrapped. Even reinforced the corner here was a little weak. Right, want to fold these over. Yep, it sticks really well if you let it sit for about a minute. Let it get tacky. Here are all the interior trim pieces that hold that headliner up. This thing actually faded from a blue down to a brown. That's what's visible there. That's pretty ugly. These are in the back. The rest, these are metal and these are plastic. And these plastic have faded. I've got a couple colors of paint. This is an engine paint. It was fairly close. I went to the hardware store and got this paint and primer all in one. Bonds to plastic, which is great. It's got a little bit different shade than the headliner, but it's a lighter blue with a satin finish. That's what I'm gonna go with. It's not perfect, but that's the closest thing I could find. All right, I'm just using a little scuff pad here to scuff everything up. These plastic parts really need the cleaning. And I'll wipe them down when I'm done here. Okay, I'm wiping the dust off these. Use a little brake cleaner. Let's get her done. A couple light coats are always better than slathering it on there. That looks damn good. I think it'll look good. It's all gonna match. Just a slightly lighter blue that kind of isn't as dingy as the other stuff. This dries to a satin finish. All right, there's 4 of these clips and they just hold the edge. I'm gonna mark the center of the clip down here, and then I know where it's at. I'm gonna kind of put a mark on either side of it. Then you can get a screwdriver right under this tab and pry that out. Under that tab, and then you yank that right out of there. All right, reach in here and put the wiring down for the light. That just hangs there. I glued this pad back on here. They had a little bit of a weird pad kind of glued up in here. I guess it couldn't hurt if I spray it again. It's 3M77 and see how it works. Okay, I got it hanging above the mirror there to hold the center. This is like a 3-person job. Wow, this is the wire hanging through here. I kind of got it hooked here, and then that clip I marked right here is the center of that clip. That's going to pop right in there. I'm going to get the headliner front and back first, but that clip's going to slide right up in there and clip onto that little black thing. So on that spot, I get sprayed right up in there. I'm going to spray the other side there up top. All right, inside here, to try to get alignment front and back, I got 1 screw hole right here, and I can pinch through and find where that screw was right here. That way I can line it up front to back. I know I can get that screw in. I got it hooked in here. It's kinked a little there. It's hooked on this side. Wires through. Looks good here. I lined over here on the driver's side as well. That hole, there's a hole right there. I gotta go forward about 1/4 inch. And I did put some glue on here, so as soon as this goes up, it's gonna stick. It's sticky right here. That's it. That's clipped in. Clipped in on this side in the back. Clipped in right here in the back. Okay, I did glue this area up top there. I'm pushing on it. Feels like it's kind of, yeah, it's holding there. I got to do the other side. Glue this side as well. Just going to make sure it's up high enough before the glue sets. There we go. All right, getting the front pieces. Here's a screw hole here, right there, and one in the middle. Due to the mirror, I can't get my drill up in here. So we're getting on now with a stubby. Oh, back her off a crack. All right, moving our way back here. This kind of slots together, if you will. The front piece holds this one, it covers that screw. So I gotta slide it, shave and paint there until I'm centered right here in this track. Boy, I'm shaving paint. Got a little bit of a shim here to get this. Tough to do. There we go. Just like that. Okay, putting the light back in. Okay, everything's functional. I have to glue one of them little lights back in, but there she is. It's done, guys. Looks pretty good. Well, I gotta say, it looks way better than the fiberglass, and this paint match is pretty darn nice. The only thing left to do would be put in these visors, but this visor is shot, and this doesn't rotate, and it's pretty tore up. Same with this one, pretty beat up. So I'm gonna look for some new visors before I put those back in.